does. So the number one thing I think you can do, if you have an HP PC and you haven't changed the operating system or anything like that, you haven't upgraded to Windows Vista, you can go through HP's application recovery program. Click Start, All Programs, PC, Help and Tools. There's a little program in there called Recovery Manager. Click that. A UAA message comes up. That's User Account Control. Click Continue. And you should go into the Recovery Manager. Select the Advanced Options button and select Reinstall Hardware Drivers that came with your computer. Click Next. Next. Scroll down the list and find the audio driver that corresponds, that came with your PC.
And
In this
say
case,
audio.
it's Realtek High Definition Audio. With it selected, click Next, and it reinstalls the driver.
So this would be putting it back and saying, okay, we know the hardware works, now we're putting in the original audio driver.
Right, so if for some reason, a driver isn't just one software file, it's many different software files, and if one of those little software files is corrupted or something's wrong, Windows can't plug into it, this puts everything back to the way it was and kind of forces Windows to take and re-look at things and get plugged back in. Normally this gets it.
Yeah. What happened if I don't have the recovery manager? What if I did something like deleted my partition or I don't have recovery?
Well,
So what if that wasn't there?
You have to get the drivers, right, to reinstall them. So you would have to go to either HP.com, and if you change the operating system, HP may not have the drivers out there, or you can get them from the manufacturer for the sound hardware.
I know it's hard to imagine, but what if it's not working still? What's the problem?
We've done all these things, and we still don't have it. Then I start suspecting, that we probably have a hardware problem.
So what can we do to test to see if it's the hardware?
You can go over to, let's go open up the program that we have called HP Hardware Diagnostics.
So HP has the diagnostic program on there to
Under
check
help.
the hardware.
It's
Okay.
under Help and Support.
Under help and support, so start, help and support.
Go to Troubleshooting Tools.
You'll see there's actually quite a bit of information out here in this tool.
Yeah,
So
there's
we're
some
going
help topics and things.
to troubleshooting tools.
Hardware Diagnostic Tools right here. Test computer hardware devices.
Okay, so we're going to click continue from there, and we're going to hardware diagnostics tool.
So there's our audio test right.
Audio. Test your microphone or sound card. We want to test the sound card.
Sound card in this case also equals onboard sound, like from the
So it's
motherboard.
the sound. So here it's got different tools. Do we want to test the volume?
No, you want to
Windows
run
volume?
test.
Okay. Those
Yeah,
are
we've already
things.
done all these other things.
Okay.
Control panel, device manager.
So it comes up and says, do you wish to continue? And we're just going to say yes. Okay. In this scenario, we had the default set to the speakers, so we would select our speakers since that's our default, right?
Right. Just for basic testing for no sound, let's select speakers and
And click test.
we have.
So for us, we don't have a hardware problem.
If you don't hear sound, this is yet another indication that there's a problem.
Right, and so if you didn't hear sound in these and you tried your output devices and heard nothing, you have buttons down here. One is for passing. If you did hear sound, you click pass. If it's not giving you sound, you click fail. It's going to give you some other information to
There's
try.
some more options. It's recommended that we run a full system test. But I mean, if these tests fail, it could indicate that there is a real hardware problem. You could hook another pair of speakers up to the back, right? A different pair, like headphones.
Right, but you can also open the machine.
Yeah.
And go in and reseat the sound card, or test it. If you have one sound card, pull out the old one, put in a new one, and see if that's it. If you've gone through all this and you still don't have it, and if you want instructions that you can read along, that you don't have to try and follow the video the whole way through, go to HP's website at hp.com, support and troubleshooting, put in your model number, and it'll take you to your product page, and from there you'll have all kinds of documentation for almost every issue out there, software and drivers, and instructions on all of this. Anyway,
We hope we fixed you.
Yeah, and
We have
hey,
sound now.
and if you still have feedback you want to give us, keep giving us feedback, because that's what inspires us to keep creating this stuff. So
Yeah.
we do take your feedback seriously.
Bye.